Okay guys, we have a controller here with a broken analog stick, this one here. So the only way to fix this is to desolder the analog stick from the board and replace it with a new one. New ones can be got on eBay fairly cheap. I have one here I just took out with a different controller that was broke. So the first thing you need to do is desolder it, is to take all these pins, have to be desoldered. The first thing I find it makes it easier to get out is to give them all a bit of new solder, which will help when pulling them out. The next thing then is to take desolder braid and desolder all these points. Okay guys, and you have these desoldered. Some of the controllers I've seen, these little legs, these 1, 2, 3, 4, have been turned 90 degrees so they won't fit back through the hole. So if that's the case in yours, just grab a pliers, spin them back the right way and then try and pop it out. It'll only damage the board. Now when you want to get them out, make sure you support the board. As you can see, this one's all rusted up. It's probably water has probably got to it. The next thing to do is solder all these points back, so we'll give it a little bit of flux. Okay guys, here we have the controller put back together, and as you can see, when I move the right analog stick, it's moving fine. When I press down it lights up. None of this was working before the fix, so this went great.